Okay, it's Freddy Sherman. I'm out here with my 1968 Pontiac Firebird, and I want to tell you about a cool product that a company sent me to check out. This is the GUTA, G-U-T-A, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. And this is an aftermarket tire pressure monitoring system that is mainly made for like trucks and trailers and people towing stuff and things like that. But I think it's a great thing to use for a classic car like this that doesn't have a tire pressure monitoring system. So the system comes with two basic parts. You have these individual screw-on tops for the valves on your tires, and then they connect via Bluetooth with this display unit, which is solar powered. So I'm going to hook everything up and show you how it works, but then this sits on your dashboard or something like that and gives you real-time data on what the tire pressure is in all four of your tires. You can set it to do alerts if the pressure is high or low, and it also can monitor the temperature of the tires like that. But I think it's a great use on a classic car. Okay, so it's the GUTA Tire Pressure Monitoring System, available on Amazon. The link is right down below if you want to buy one. Okay, so you can see these are marked for which tire they go to. So I'm going to start with the left front, and then very simple, all we do is unscrew the cap, and then we take this and we screw it on, and you'll hear a little bit of air escaping, and then that's it, and then it's on. Okay, so I'm installing the tire pressure monitoring system, and already it's being helpful and working. So this thing was already charged up. It does have a solar panel on it, and then I did put the first sensor on, the left rear, and it immediately gave me an alarm that the tire pressure is low at 33 psi, and the temperature of the tire is normal at 77 degrees. So already working. I like it. So I'm going to put the other sensors on and then see what it says. Okay, so I've got all four tire sensors on, and you can see that all four tires are low, not crazy low. I think these are supposed to be at 36 psi. And it tells you the temperature of each one as well. And then you can set alerts. You know, you can set when it will give you an alert, low pressure, high pressure. You can set temperature alerts and things like that. Again, this is primarily made, I think, for people with trailers and stuff like that, but I think it's a really cool use for your classic car because it gives you these instant readouts of your temperature. And then these are Bluetooth transmitters that go on the tires. They're not too obtrusive. But again, you have your display, and then this would go in the car on the dashboard or something like that. And it is cordless. Charge it up. So that's the GUTA Tire Pressure Monitoring System. I like it.